Hello, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a simple swap with TurboTrade. It's quite simple. You navigate first of all to turbotrade.tech, and then you click this launch app in the corner. This will take you to app.turbotrade.tech. It will take a few moments before the screen loads up and it connects to the various networks. Once you do this, you need to connect wallet. Click Connect Wallet in the top corner, and it will ask you which type of wallet you want to connect with. Currently, TurboTrade serves Xdefi, MetaMask, and Key Store wallet types. For this tutorial, we're going to use Xdefi. Xdefi will allow you to store Maya, ETH, Bitcoin, Kujira, and Thor for Rune. You will not be able to use Dash with Xdefi. Currently, this may change in the future. And you click Connect with Xdefi. Xdefi will try to open and it will ask you for your password. Simply enter your password here and click Login. It will then ask you to connect, so you want to connect and select Next. This will show you what the TurboTrade website will allow. So it will allow to view your balance, view your addresses, and request approval for transactions, but it will not be allowed to move funds without your permission. Connect. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see here your wallet complete and all of the relevant balances that you may have. You can then simply go to Swap and choose to swap. For this, we'll swap between Cacao and Kuji. And we will swap 50% of our holdings, which is 15 Cacao, into 8.1 Kuji. And then we click the swap. You can pay attention to the amount, the affiliate fee, and the outbound fee. Do you agree to swap? Yes. It will then open your Xdefi to allow you to confirm the transaction. The transaction network fee is 0.5 Cacao, so I'll just click confirm there. It's very, very cheap, only 50 cents. And you can transact with large amounts, and the network fee will stay the same. Transaction transferred successfully. It will take for a while. It will show here that the Cacao successfully reached Maya's vault, and it will say that it will arrive in approximately 2.5 minutes. So currently, the Cacao has been sent to Maya, it has been exchanged, and now the Kuji is being sent on the Kuji network from the Maya back to us, and it turns out it was a lot quicker than predicted, and the swap is complete. The swap has been a success. Can now close that, and we can now go back to my wallet, and we will see that the Kuji is not quite showing. But if we click refresh, this is the refresh button up here, it will show that the Kuji is showing and the Cacao is also showing. So it really is that simple to do swaps, and it really is that fast to do swaps with TurboTrade. Thanks for watching and happy swapping.